Now to our state matters. In today's digital age, we often hear stories about the dangers of online interactions, especially for kids. California just became the first state to implement certain safety measures on social media and AI platforms. ABC 10 State Matters political reporter Jenny Huh reports.
The results can be tragic.
There are problems that remain around technology because technology moves faster than the law.
California legislators are zooming in on online safety. Local law enforcement also on board.
The predators are out there. They evolve much faster than law enforcement does. So law enforcement is always playing catch up to some of these tactics, and the legislators playing catch up on that.
Governor Newsom signed more than 10 bills into law over the weekend, each aimed at enhancing protections as technology advances quickly.
You'll hear me call these people all kinds of terrible names, which they deserve, but they are not stupid. These guys are very smart. They're very manipulative.
State Senator Steve Padilla from San Diego is targeting companion chatbots. Padilla says there have been tragic cases with users
Who really believe they were interacting with a human being capable of empathy and understanding and becoming very subject to their suggestions.
In Florida, a 14-year-old committed suicide after forming a romantic, emotional, and sexual relationship with the chatbot.
If a conversation goes where it should not go, that is flagged, and resources and connections to professional help and assistance and to parents is made available.
Padilla's legislation, SB 243, also mandates reminders for the users they're chatting to a bot, not an actual human. State Senator Angelique Ashby in Sacramento is behind protections for abuse victims, particularly domestic violence.
When you separate that relationship, whether you do it through the court or a restraining order or even through a therapist, there are problems that remain around technology.
Ashby says the abuser may still have access to the victim through bank, Netflix, even Ring doorbell accounts. Now, with the bill, tech platforms, after receiving documentation of abuse, are given 2 days to remove the perpetrator.
Well, that person would no longer be able to use that site. They would no longer be able to use that app.
Jenny Huh, ABC 10.
Thank you. Some senators voted against SB 243, citing vague language. Stay with us for updates.
Today, the governor signed a bill that requires law enforcement to disclose the use of AI in police reports. The author of the bill says concerns over AI's use in documents that are used in legal matters prompted him to look into increasing AI regulations. In a statement, he says, "We're not going to gamble with personal liberty. AI hallucinations happen at significant rates, and what goes in a police report can influence whether or not the state takes away someone's freedom." He also highlights that while AI is streamlining work for police, a balance is needed to, quote, hold this new technology accountable.